Cherry blossom droplet spring warning. Your float switch can save your home droplet cherry blossom. In Houston's spring humidity, your AC pulls a lot of moisture from the air. The float switch is designed to shut the system off before water overflows. Checkmark why the float switch matters. Warning signs your float switch may be tripping include the AC shutting off. Prohibited important. Never bypass the float switch. Toolbox. During a spring checkup we inspect the drain pan and line. Outgoing mail message Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning to schedule your spring AC checkup.